Hi everyone, I'm Ember from Planything. Today is the day that I'm going to show you the Floral Beach Box for July 2020 and I'm so excited to show you. It's an amazing box and I really think it's my favorite so far. I know I've been saying that for all the boxes, but this one is, I really love it. So I'm going to show you what's inside and I hope you all like it. The box is available until July 24 to subscribe or buy as a single box. I'm going to show you. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to reveal the Floral Beach box. This is the July box of 2020. First, this cute little card is with the box. In the box are six A6 sticker sheets, 4 paper sheets, 8 washi tapes, 2 paper clips, 1 traveler notebook, 1 notebook with dotted paper and 1 pen. Okay, let's see where I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with the washi tapes. As you can see, I already opened it, but it comes packed together with a Planything sticker. I really love all the washi tapes. Let me show you. Little seahorse. The stripes with all the colors of the box. Pineapples. This one is really cute. Because I love this pattern so much, it's also the cover of the notebook. A sea pattern. Florals. And mermaids, also with florals. Then this cute pen, I really love this pen, so that's why you will get it in different colors with every Planything box. It really writes smooth and it also says here Planything. I just really love the pen. The color of the pen is black. Paper clips are just the cutest. I chose for a flower and a seahorse. You can use them as bookmarks or just decoration or whatever you use a paperclip for. I really like this, and I also like the cardstock that you can punch and also add to your planner. Then the stickers. This was the first sticker sheet I designed for this box, and when I created this I was so happy with the result. It's just so cute with all the colors together, and of course I really love those beach stickers as well. I really like these stickers because you can stick them in every corner of your planner. I really love those. One of my favorite is the seahorse. The seahorse and the mermaid and the pineapple are all created with flowers. With these stickers you can create your own beach layout. And of course flowers and some beach words and some other cute little stickers. I'm gonna save the best for last. First, the paper. These are 4 A5 paper sheets. Pineapple and floral. The beach, I really like this. And the mermaids with flowers. This also is the pattern of one of the washi tapes. As you can see, a lot of the patterns of the washi tapes are coming back in the papers. Then the traveler notebook with the little bullet journal that you can add to it. Let's open it. I really love this notebook. I really love this pattern, and it's coming back in the washi tapes and the papers. Planything is here, and this is the front. It's a cute little bullet journal that you can add to the traveler notebook. And I really love the traveler notebook. It's this floral pattern I really like. It's coming back in the washi tapes, in the paper, in the stickers. It was no doubt for me that this pattern should have been the front of the traveler notebook. I'm going to open it. Okay, so you can use it with or without the elastic. If you want to use the elastic, there's a hole in here, and you go in the hole. There is a hole in here, so you have to put this in here and then push it right through it. And then you can close it like this. Let's add the notebook. You search for the middle. This is the middle. Then you add it like this, and you can add, of course, more notebooks to in every elastic. And then you have a traveler notebook. And the fun part is not even you can use this notebook as a part of the traveler notebook. You also just can use it as whatever you want. But this notebook, a traveler notebook, you can also use as cover for a happy planner mini or a same size other planner. For example, this mini notebook I'm going to add to this traveler notebook. Then it looks like this. And you can just close it, and then you have a cute little cover for your planner as well. And you can close it like this, and it protects your planner very well when it goes in your bag or something. So it's multifunctional. That's what I really like about it. I really hope you liked this box. I think, well, every box I create, it's my favorite, but this one I really like. It's for sale until July 24. It's available as subscription and as a single box. And I really hope you like everything. Oh, these washi tapes are a mess because I showed them to you. Really hope you liked this unboxing video, and I hope to see you with the Plan With Me video. Bye!